Hi everyone, welcome to Flower Factor. Today we're going to create a cool centerpiece and we're going to work with a hydrangea, the classic hydrangea. And what is a classic hydrangea? Basically, everyone knows it, the fresh hydrangea. And when the grower leaves this fresh hydrangea on the plant, it's started to change. So you see that the color is changing, but also the strength of the flowers is changing. When you have this stage, they're also easy to dry. So you can just hang them upside down, they will keep their color and you can enjoy them a long while. I prepared this old candle holder, and what I've done is I've taken the top off, placed a little plastic board on, made it waterproof with some hot glue, and then I can easily place this big bowl of Oasis foam on. And the nice thing of working with hydrangea, for example in wedding or events, is that of course we have a big volume, so we can work really quick. And many times when we do event floristry, we need to do it on the last moment. It has to be ready on the last moment, so working quick is also important. And when we have flowers that allow us to work quick, that helps. And you see already with just 6 beautiful stems, we immediately have effect. Make sure that the floral foam is really wet, because hydrangeas like their water. And even when you place your flowers in, just pour a little bit of extra water on to make it really wet, especially when you have the events or the weddings. Well, you see how easy and how quick we can create an impressive volume and structure with the hydrangea. We're just going to add a few more different materials. In this case, we're going to use the amaranthus, nice material, and we can just place them in high and that the lines fall down. I always take off a lot of leaves because they are the first to dry in and turn brown. And then we're going to add a few more of these beautiful berries, rose hips, to give the structure another texture. And then we have a really cool, really beautiful structured centerpiece that you can use for weddings or any type of event you might have. Using the classic hydrangea means it's strong, it can survive some heat. I hope you enjoyed it. Seeing also the stages in how hydrangea becomes a classic hydrangea. And of course, I hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.